Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate yogurt strawberry easy guide. Start by gathering Greek yogurt, unsweetened cocoa powder, honey, and fresh strawberries. Chop berries, measure 2 tablespoons of cocoa, and mix with yogurt and honey. Taste and adjust sweetness or texture with a splash of milk or a spoon of Greek yogurt. Chill briefly for a firmer texture and serve in bowls or jars for an easy treat. Combine chopped strawberries with a portion of yogurt and a spoonful of honey in a bowl to taste. In a separate bowl, whisk cocoa into yogurt until smooth and streak-free to avoid lumps. Fold the chocolate yogurt gently into the berries so you keep some texture and swirls. Adjust sweetness with more honey or a dash of vanilla, then chill briefly if you prefer a more set dessert before serving. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing easy recipes. Quick recommendation: grab those leak-proof containers I mentioned for meal prep and mess-free transport. They keep layered yogurt parfaits intact and make mornings simple. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider them if you meal prep often or need reliable storage. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Serve in clear glasses to showcase pretty layers of chocolate yogurt and bright strawberries for an attractive parfait. Add a crunchy layer of granola or chopped nuts between layers to introduce texture and contrast. For a richer twist, drizzle a little melted dark chocolate on top or sprinkle with cocoa nibs. These choices make the recipe adaptable from quick snack to elegant dessert in minutes, while keeping flavors fresh and satisfying.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.